First create a new file, any size. Like here you can select any dimension. Okay. Now select pen tool. Okay. When you click, so there is a point, but make sure first this is shape. Okay, you can see here, see shape, it's same thing. Okay, and this fill, you can see it should be no color. This is also should be no color. Okay, or you can select, if you want, but right now I didn't select any color. Okay, then if you click here, this is called anchor point. What it is called?
Anchor point.
Anchor point, ANCHOR, then point. Now if you click here, you can see this is a line, but this is not a straight line. So to make a straight line, you will press and hold shift and then click, then it is a straight line. See, right?
Yeah.
Pen tool, if you know in Photoshop, it will easy for you in then After Effects. Therefore I am saying.
Yes, I understand. It's not this one you
Exactly. Yeah. Pen tool. So point is anchor point. It's called anchor point, and you can create a straight line using press and hold shift.
using.
Press and hold shift.
So look at the.
See, first this point, then press and hold shift, and then this. Okay. Now if you, this is a straight line. If you want to make a curve in this shape, so you click anywhere here, like this, then you can see, now press and hold a left click on your mouse and then move it, see. Okay. Now when you create a curve, you can see this one curve, so this curve or bend will continue. If you click here, even straight line, it will not make a straight line, this will continue this curve. So what you can do, you can press and hold Alt. Just press and hold Alt and click here on the last anchor point. So whenever you make an anchor point, you click on last anchor point, then see this again. Now you can make a straight line if you want, or if you want to make a curve, you can make. Okay. So this is a curve. Now what you will do, press and hold Alt and click there and see this. So whenever you make a curve, you will do this thing, press and hold Alt and remove this. And now from where we started, just match with this anchor point. Now this is a unique shape, so you can fill with any color. You can fill with gradient. You can fill with pattern. See? Gradient. See, linear to radial also you can change. Angle also you can change. each and every option there. Diamond also, see. Okay. So Control T, you can make transform. You can change the side. Ask. Now you can press and hold Alt and drag and drop. See, it's for duplicate. Then in edit, I told you today you can rotate also using horizontal. See. Then if you select both of them using press and hold control or command in this here control in Windows, then press and hold Alt and move. See. Then you can go to edit and transform. You can flick vertical. See. Okay.
Okay, now I want to write how to use the pen tool. Let me write how you go around to come to the end. Where we say if I drag like this, then it will form a curve, and then if I want to end, I will need to click back and hold. I don't know if which button is
Press and hold Alt and then click on last anchor point. This one, now see this is a straight line. Now it is a curve. So to stop the curve, press and hold Alt. Okay. Then here you have freeform pen tool. Freeform pen tool, you can create anything. Okay.
is free from. Let me see the spelling.
Freeform pen. Add anchor point tool, so you can add anchor point like this one. You can see we have like pen tool, add anchor point tool. Why it is not working? See, so you can add one more anchor like here. So then from here you can move it. See, if you want to add here, you can add here. Then you can change from here. See, if you click here, you can move also from here. Add anchor point tool. You can add anchor point anywhere. Add anchor point. And delete will delete anchor point like this. See this, it will come to original shape. Convert point tool, you see first thing like this, both sides will move. See? Okay.